Hello guys, I'm Fahim and welcome to Ghostas Production, and this is my first video. So if I do any mistakes, please forgive me. And today I'm going to show you a nice magic trick. This doesn't require any sleight of hands or setup. Beginners can also do that. Do this trick. So please, if you like this trick, like and subscribe. Don't forget. So I'll start my trick. To do this trick, you'll need just a fresh deck of cards. So I'll first cut the deck half and I'll shuffle it and I'll shuffle it again. So I'll cut the deck again. Uh, that's only a 5. So the next thing I will do, I'll just spread the whole deck and I'll tell the spectator to choose a card. Like they can choose here, from here, and they choose this card. Okay, I'm going to take the whole deck and I'll tell the spectator to memorize their card and put at the top. So now I'm going to give it a card. So look, I don't have any breaks, no pinky break, no thumb break. Okay, so the thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to find two helping cards for me, like uh, two kings. So I'll go for king. I found a king here at second, so it was funny, and I'll need another king. So if I want another king, what the fuck? Where the king disappear? Uh, fuck. Is this, yeah, I got a king. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it from here and bring the king at the front, two kings. Okay, so I'm going to close all the cards, close the family's members. So here, two of my friends. So now the thing I'm going to do is put one king at the front and the other king at the back. So watch two of kings closely. Watch closely. Yeah, baby, this is your card, right? Hell yeah. So to do that trick, you'll need some scissors, some hairs, and some fires. Oh, no, I'm kidding. So to do the trick, you have to know the bottom card. Like this one is at the bottom. Now, so when you want to shuffle, after you've shuffled, you'll know what is the bottom card. So here is a solution. What you can do, and this is the main trick. What you have to do. Without this, you'll not be able to do the trick. So when you have, there is two way to do this trick. To do this technique, when you have cut the deck, you can watch what is at the middle. You know what is at the middle? Like 10. So what you do? I'll take the card and I'll first drop the card and the other cards at the top. You know, so the card is still at the bottom. So next, there is another way, like when you have cut and shuffled, when you are like going to go for another shuffle, you can pick at the bottom card, like pick at the bottom card. So next thing you can do, yes, you can shuffle. So the shuffle is going to be like this. You have two from the middle and shuffled. So Okay, but your 10 is still at the bottom. So next you do spread the cards and tell the spectator to choose a card. Like they can choose any of the cards. It doesn't matter. If they choose the bottom card, you know the bottom card, so you can give him the deck and tell him to shuffle. And after that, you can say him to bring his card and front and don't show it to him. Then you can say that his card is like blah 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 blah, the bottom card. So you can add more things. So like so we'll stick to the trick. Like they choose this one. Okay, what you will do, tell them to memorize their card and put their card at the top, and you'll cut it in a half. Okay, I'll go for a half. Cut it in a half and put at the top of their card. Like you have this 10, your key card, and their card is at the top. Sorry. So what you do, you put the card and your card is next to their card. So now you say that, like, you will bring your 2 helping cards. You can use any helping cards. So how I do this, look, like I'll bring 2 queens. I'll go for 2 queens, and I'll search for their cards. Here is a queen, and their card is 3 of loves, and here is their card. So I'll give it a break, and I'll go for another queen. Queen, queen, queen. Yeah, here is another queen. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the half, because I know this is my key card and this is their card. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the card and put it the bottom, or like at the front or at the last, and their card will be at the top. So close the deck and bring out 2 queens, and their card will be at the bottom. So next thing you don't want to do, that you don't want to show them this card, because many of the spectator will like notice that that card was at the bottom and now it is at the front. There is some trick, and they'll want to check the last card. So you don't want to show them. So what do you do, like you can save this way, or you can put this way and block, because they will not be able to see, and they will not be able to recognize if you catch like this, because you know it's some theories. So what I do, I put the card here, and I'll take another card and put it at the back. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a space and grab these 2 cards like this with my finger pads. With this fingers pad, I'm going to touch this and this, both of the cards back, and with 3 fingers I'll grab at this card's front. You can use 2 fingers, 1 fingers, but 3 fingers will give you enough grip. But if you like give it a squeeze, like pressure, they'll not come out. So this grab has a name, but I forgot. So if anyone knows or remembered the name, please comment on the below. And the thing you're going to do, you're going to touch both of the cards with your pad, with your fingers pad, and with this, and give a little amount of pressure, and just pass from this end to this end, or like you can drop. So let's go, voila, and I put the cards, and look, here's your card. So folks, thanks for watching, and please if you like, hit like button. If you want to subscribe, you want to see many more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if I made any mistake, please give a comment below. If you want to inspire me, give a comment below. And I hope you'll get many videos, not only card tricks. I'll upload many videos on and so on. Bye bye.